girlfriend.
Why? What is
Because
the reason?
in Happy New Year, I don't have any gifts to receive.
Really?
Yeah.
I think your girlfriend was not good.
Give me some feedbacks what I need to do.
I think you should to tell him that tell her that that we are not connected just because of the gift. We have connection between we are loving. I'm loving to you.
Guys, English will do. Hindi and English. Come on, be free to talk. Hindi or English, don't know.
I do with my heart. Feelings will come from heart, not only a gift. Not gift. A gift can't. You can't.
Hindi, English, it's fine.
Because she's telling that you are not going to see him. That's why.
What no? But girls is angry, not a reason, not just for a breakup. She is angry just because of that you should give the gift to her. That's the reason she is angry. Don't worry, everything will be अच्छा होगा.
Go on, Hindi, English both.
You should. तुम्हें थोड़ा टाइम निकालना चाहिए थे उसके लिए you should go because
you have actual reason what happened with you and why you can't go
Because she-
go there
if
and why you can't
she really had feelings for you, she was waiting for you. You should go.
but your love is true, she can't go,
But she is not ready to listen anything.
you can purchase my huge gift
Okay, and now I didn't tell you guys, but I want to see you. How will you end the discussion?
I think we should give the gift to her, and I think she will feel that I am so sorry that I am not able to give the gift to you. And I think if she is not listening to you, I think not only the one girl in the world, many other girls.
I think you have
being
actual reason why you can't give her a gift.
I think you should
will convince
convince her. It is not
he is doing hangama in this here in this
Not
part of life, bro. We agree.
You will be happy. I think that every moment will be happy in your life. So be happy.
And chill.
चलो मिलते हैं हाँ चिल हाँ डोंट वरी हाँ नाइस okay clap for them guys yeah Ritik so there was a situation ki Balram had a breakup
Yeah, it is reality also.
and
How do you know that?
I didn't know that. I just gave a situation and they all said, sir, it's correct. It's the truth. Okay. पहली चीज तो ये आप तीनों मुझे लव गुरु लगे यार.
Yes. Who are those three?
ऋतिक, हर्ष and शादाब.
Harsh, na?
Harsh.
Very Harsh. Always he has habit to, fire with someone's shoulder. He doesn't speak directly. Sir, I want to say this. He always introduces us. Sadaf wants to do that. He wants to say this, but he never takes his name.
That's his behavior. Frishki, huh? Chilbula.
Yeah.
Nice. अच्छी एडवाइसेस दी यार आप लोगों ने. I mean that one sentence I don't know who said कि tell her that our relationship is not only limited towards gift, it's a heart connection. Who said that?
Who said that?
Harsh. Harsh, that was so nice.
Out of him, yeah.
Seriously, man.
I want to take coaching to you. Please ask me that, please.
That's why I said. That's why I said that they all looked like a love guru. Yeah? It's not limited to a gift. It's a heart connection. Huh? It's a connection of two hearts. Nice. Okay, one thing I would like to tell you guys, it was really nice seeing you guys having discussion. I know अभी हम क्लास में हैं तो you definitely एक वो कोकोन होता है, there is a कोकोन means एक छोटा सा कोना, ठीक है, in your mind that you always think कि somebody is looking at me, हाँ, तो वो था and वो होना है and that's very human and that's very natural. वहां पे मुझे एक्टिंग बिल्कुल नहीं लगी and that was very natural that you guys definitely had a thought कि okay Himanshu is watching me. Yeah, so that was very natural. First thing. Second, I liked the fact that Suyash, when I said end it, and I wanted that how would you guys end it, then I saw Harsh patting him. That was amazing, Harsh. That was really nice. And that came from the beginning moment when he came and hugged you guys and patted you. Right? And so Shadab did, and so Ritik did. Yeah? So that was really nice. But I saw Suyash taking a step ahead. Right? So whenever you start the discussion and end the discussion, make sure shaking hand is very common, but patting somebody's back comes with the feel. Yeah, so that's very important. Now another thing is, I saw you all four were very freely talking, having a smile on face, which was really nice. Ritik looked like a very gentleman giving very valuable advices. That is your personality, right? That's your personality, and it cannot be hidden. So that's also nice, and that's a compliment. You should take it. Like कि you are looking like a very gentleman giving nice advices to your friend कि हाँ चल ठीक है, हो गया, चलता है, chill मार, relax कर, मान जाएगी. Something like that. Those were not your words, but I'm just putting those in my words. Shadab was bit more excited, right? To advise Balram.
Because every night from these type of situations.
अच्छा, okay, nice. अब हम बात करते हैं एक चीज की. I gave you all a situation that he had a breakup, ठीक है? And I gave you to think freely. Don't be formal, don't be informal, ठीक है? Now if somebody has a breakup, तो होता क्या है? अब देखो, best friends are very best friends, like they'll abuse you. साला रोता ही रहता है ये, something like that, हाँ? तो वो चलता है. But when he had a breakup, he was sad, है ना? तो उस टाइम पे you could have, let's say, how would I say this? Let's put in a very natural words. For a while, Harsh and Shadab, for a while, you could have been bit emotional. अपने वर्ड्स को थोड़ा इमोट करना था आपको, ठीक है? कि थोड़ा सा इमोट करने से क्या होता है कि दिस पर्सन बलराम विल फील कि नहीं, जो ये फील कर रहा है, द सेम वाइब्रेशंस हैव बीन एक्सचेंज्ड अमंग अस, right? So that is how things go. Even if you are chuddy buddies, even if you are best friends, somebody is not going through a right situation, or somebody is going through a pain. It could be mental or heartbreak or whatever, right? Definitely at the end, अबे वे दिमाग खराब कर दिया तूने, चल कोई नहीं, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, चलता है, that's fine, right? But judge the situation कि he was in pain, he had a breakup, भले वो थोड़ी देर की लड़ाई थी, but he had a breakup, right? तो वहां पे you always maintain that emote वाला line, right? Be emoted for a while and then speak up. So that was one point. Other than that, I liked the fact nobody what do you call it, tied the hands. That was nice. Nobody tied the hand. And I know you guys were uncomfortable थे आप लोग, बिकॉज आदत पड़ गई यार. जब भी हम बात करते हैं जेब में हाथ डाल के, पीछे वाली जेब में हाथ डाल के यूं करके बात करते हैं, राइट? आदत पड़ गई है. एंड नाउ टुडे ओनली यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस. तो आप लोग अनकंफर्टेबल थे थोड़ा. शादाब यूं कर रहा था, ठीक है? ऋतिक के भी हाथ यूं हो रहे थे, और हर्ष ने भी अपने हाथ यूं कर रखे थे, है ना? तो चलता है. दिस इज हाउ यू गोना अप्लाई दिस. मैं लर्न वर्ड यूज ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, बिकॉज यू डोंट नीड टू लर्न इट, यू नीड टू अप्लाई दिस, ठीक है? सो दैट इज व्हाट यू गाइज विल कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट, ठीक है? सो ओके, हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट, बाय द वे? लेट्स आस्क योर नेम, सर. हर्षित, हाउ वाज द कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन दीज 4-5 पीपल, नॉन वर्बल वाला? एवरेज. ओके, देखना जो कोने में ले जाके एवरेज था, तू आके कर लेता. नाइस फीडबैक. ओके, ठीक है. सो दैट वाज ऑल गाइस. आई थिंक इट्स बीन मोर देन 1 hour. हाँ, हियर आई वाज सेइंग 1 hour. Okay, ठीक है. So I hope you liked it, and I don't want you only to like it or learn it. Apply it from very moment onwards, ठीक है? And Amir would tell me how things go further. ठीक है? Next we'll plan when I can come again and take another class. That would definitely be eye contact. ठीक है? That's gonna be a good session on eye contact. But अभी ये जो non-verbal communication है, apply this. Every one of you. This non-verbal communication, as I said, is very practical, will work in every damn situation. Your GD, your debate, your interview, your job, your office, your discussion with sir, your discussion with your professor, your discussion with your principal, your discussion with your mama, papa, and so on. ठीक है? So apply this non-verbal thingies. Okay, Balram? Yeah? That yawning, sneezing, coughing, huh? All those smaller things work. ठीक है? Now एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जब इसने मुझे वो दी थी ना पाउच पानी की, when I was drinking that water, उस थोड़ी सी आवाज आई थी ना, वो पन्नी की थोड़ी सी आवाज आई थी. That's also your personality. That's also your personality. And I made it knowingly. तो अभी मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बता रहा हूं कि all those bits and pieces, all those nitty gritties जो आप करते हो, हर चीज आप इग्नोर कर देते हो because we are not